Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your PropertyWare account detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your PropertyWare account, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the PropertyWare website URL. Once the page loads, locate the login section. Click on Create an account or Sign up. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in the required fields, such as your name, email, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security purposes. After filling in the fields, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Next, click on the Submit or Register button. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and look for the activation email from PropertyWare. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and locate the activation link. Click on the link to confirm your account. This will redirect you back to the PropertyWare website. Log in using your newly created credentials. You may be prompted to update your profile information. Fill in any additional details as required. After completing your profile, take a moment to navigate through the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various features and options available. At this point, your PropertyWare account is fully activated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.